All right, let's start with the exercises. And because these are actual exercises, I would like to involve you a little bit more actively in this process than you were involved when I was just kind of showing you the examples. So again, as before, I will ask you some questions. I'll invite you to pause the video and then to start the video again when you've decided. So let's go on. Number 1, if ESP is possible, then the mind is non-physical. So it's going to be an arrow. I'm going to use E for ESP is possible, and I will let N be the mind is non-physical. You might want to use different letters, that's fine. If E, then N is what I have. If the mind is non-physical, so if N, then ghosts might exist. I'll let that be G. Now at this point, I want you to ask yourself 3 questions. The first question is, can you conclude anything at this point? If so, go on to the second question. What can you conclude? And third question, is the inference that you use to conclude that thing valid or invalid? So pause the video, start again when you're ready. Okay, can you conclude something? Indeed you can. What can you conclude? If E, then G. Is that inference form valid or invalid? It's valid. That is hypothetical syllogism. Not that you need to know that, but it's valid. The next claim, ESP is possible. Very good. Again, same 3 questions. Can you conclude something? If so, what? Is the inference valid or invalid? Pause the video, start again when you're ready. Okay, can you conclude something? Yes, you can. What can you conclude? G. Is that inference valid or invalid? It's valid. What's the next claim? Therefore, ghosts might exist, and that's exactly where we ended up. That's where we're supposed to go. We were able to get there using only valid inference forms. So this thing's valid. Very good. Let's go on to example 2.